Imagine a large truck speeding out of control with an asleep driver behind the wheel. Scary, right? Unfortunately, this is a scenario that occurs on our roadways on an all too regular basis. The truck driver will say that the reason for the accident was that he hadn't slept because he needed to make his delivery on time. Hi, I'm Dan from Munley & Cartwright, and I want to talk to you briefly about tight trucking company deadlines and why they often lead to serious accidents. Sometimes these tight windows imposed on drivers by trucking companies don't allow them to get the rest they need in order to navigate the roadway safely. A trucking company will make the most money when deliveries are made quickly and as cheaply as possible. Therefore, they don't pay their drivers for rest periods. Consequently, drivers are often faced with the choice of taking the time to rest or not rest and delivering their loads on time so that they can receive their pay. I had a case one time, and the client and I were having a very difficult time getting a fair offer from the trucking company. And during the course of the deposition of the driver, he actually admitted to both my client and myself that he actually lied on his logbooks, meaning what he told us was that in this case, he would not tell the truth on his logbook because he had to meet those tight deadlines. He would actually lie on his logbook, which is an offense, a federal offense, in order to meet those deadlines. And after the deposition, my client and I discussed it. We went to the other side with this new powerful evidence, and they were willing to talk settlement at a much more reasonable number that my client and I would be willing to accept. The only way that we were able to get there was by knowing the rules of the road and actually the rules of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations that apply to trucking companies. Once we had that information, we applied that to this particular driver. And during the course of the deposition, we were able to show him that we knew he wasn't telling the truth, which forced that admission. In preparation for that deposition, my team and I spent hours and hours and hours preparing for that 2-hour deposition of that driver. We probably spent 20 hours to spend 2 hours prepping to spend 2 hours deposing a driver. If you or someone you love has been injured in a truck accident in Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, or really anywhere in America, call us anytime for a free consultation.